again, welcome to my channel. So this morning, like I said in my earlier video, and I saw that Simple has added the new feature called the withdraw. So in this video, I want to see if it's possible to withdraw now. So let's follow me as I go through the steps. Okay, so I click on continue. So 10% of, so what I can withdraw is this. So let me put this what I can withdraw according to what I'm seeing here. For compare 10% of what I have, this is what I can withdraw. Let me just put 80,000. Let me say 6,000. Simple. The simple app. So let me I'll click on withdraw. Let's see how it will happen. Click on withdraw. You're successfully withdrawn 86,000 to your simple app. Go to your simple app and credit the funds to your balance. So my simple app is opening up. So as you can see, my simple app has opened up. My simple app also collects simple coin. You have sent 86,000 from your simple coin app. So click on this to collect. So please. So voila, my simple app 6,000 has come into my app. So look at the roadmap. So it's just simple. It was very simple. Wow, this is nice. Very simple. So those of you that have been saying I should show how to do the withdrawal, so this is the video. So you can do the same. See the roadmap for the coin. As you can see, the roadmap. So for those of you that have been asking me that okay, show the video, this is the video. If you have not joined Simple Coin app airdrop, this is time to join. Check the link on the description on the comment section and let's farm together. Let's mine together. So guys, bye for now.